Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate on Canva designs with your team or clients. Whether you're working on a project together or just want feedback, Canva makes collaboration super easy. Let's get started. Set up your Canva team. First things first, you'll need to set up a team in Canva. If you're using Canva Pro or Canva for Teams, you can create a team by going to the account settings, selecting People, and then click the Invite People button. Invite your team members via email. And once they accept, they'll be able to collaborate on any designs you share with them. Share your design. Now, let's share a design for collaboration. Open the design you want to work on and click the Share button in the top right corner. You can invite people by email, or you can copy the shareable link. Make sure you set the permissions to either can edit, can comment, or can view, depending on how much control you want to give them. Add comments and feedback. To make collaboration smooth, use Canva's commenting feature. Click on any element in the design, then click the Add Comment button. You can leave notes, ask questions, or tag team members by typing @ followed by their name. This feature is great for giving feedback and making sure everyone's on the same page. Real-time collaboration. One of the best things about Canva is that you can collaborate in real time. Multiple people can work on the same design at the same time, and you'll see their changes as they happen. This is perfect for brainstorming sessions or when you're on a tight deadline and need to make quick updates. Review and finalize the design. Once everyone has made their edits and added their feedback, it's time to review and finalize the design. Go through the comments, make any necessary changes, and when you're happy with the final product, you can download the design or share it directly from Canva. And that's it, Genius Junkies! Collaborating on Canva designs is easy and efficient, whether you're working with a team or just getting feedback from a client. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.